TikTok's user base has grown from 0 to over a billion in 5 years. ByteDance, the company standing behind the app, is valued at over $140 billion. Have you ever wondered how to make an app like TikTok? In this video, we'll answer the question. You will learn what processes and technologies stand behind the app and how to create a short video sharing app. You can't create an app like TikTok if you don't know what stands behind its success. First of all, TikTok introduced a new content format, short-term videos. Such videos perform better in the modern short attention span world. Second, TikTok's recommendation algorithms make the app really tick. The application determines which videos appear in users' feeds. The algorithm analyzes what accounts users follow, what videos they like and share, what videos they add to favorites, and what type of videos they interact with the most. Thanks to the algorithms, TikTok users always have the most interesting videos in their recommendation feed. They stay hooked up to the app and the content it's offering. TikTok users spend up to 80 minutes every day on the platform on average. When you decide how to create an app like TikTok, try to think outside the box. Copycatting the app is not the best decision. Try to come up with a unique idea. Search the market and identify your niche. For example, you can create a TikTok-like app for cooking recipes or fitness. Learn who is your target audience, what pains they have, and how your app will solve them. Create your unique selling proposition and decide what you'll be offering. When you have an app concept in mind, choose the features you'll add. There are some basic and advanced features that can be developed. The list of basic features includes such functionality as user registration, user profile, video uploading and editing, likes and comments, search, notifications, and video feed. But to make your app really exciting for users, you'll need to add some advanced features such as location-based content, live video streaming, and AR filters. Aside from the app for end users, you'll need to create an admin panel to manage the whole app, users, and content shared there. The next step is choosing the right technology stack, such as programming language, database management solution, hosting, and third-party integrations. If you are not a guru developer, you need to find a development company that will help you with development. Aside from code, you'll also need to create the app's UX and UI design as well as branding elements. Offshore development outsourcing might be the most financially efficient solution, especially if you choose a company from such locations as Europe that combine high quality with affordable prices. So how much will it cost you to make an app like TikTok? The price starts around $60,000 for a single app version, iOS or Android. The development process will take around 3 to 6 months. If you decide to target 2 platforms, the cost will multiply. The final cost will depend on a number of factors, such as features and their complexity, third-party integrations, targeted platforms, and the outsourcing location. App development is an ongoing process that doesn't stop with the app launch to the market. After your app hits the market, start tracking user behavior, collect and analyze user feedback. The secret to success is listening to your users, identifying areas of improvement, tracking market trends, and planning ongoing development and app support. That's how you can stand ahead of the competition. Want to create an app like TikTok? You can always get in touch with our team for a consultation or ask a question under the video.